Hello friends, this video on factorization part 11 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So now that we have learned so much about factorization and division of algebraic expression, let us look at some very important points because these are some of the areas where most of the time children commit mistakes. So let us look at these important points. Do not forget to consider the coefficient of x. So what do we mean by that? For example, you come across an expression 5x plus x is equal to how much? Many times children feel that okay, x, there is no coefficient with x, so the sum would be 5x, but that's incorrect because x means 1x. So this actually means 6x. So the sum would be 6x. Similarly, if you have something like 5x into x, that actually means 5x into 1x, which is equal to 5x square. Similarly, if you have something like x divided by 5x, that actually means 1x by 5x, which is equal to 1 by 5. So it is always very important to remember that whatever you see as x actually has a coefficient of 1. Second point, if you multiply or divide a constant on one side of the equation, you need to do the same on the other side too. For example, you have an algebraic expression 3x plus 4 is equal to 9y minus 2. Let's say this is an equation that you have. Now, if you say that you are multiplying 4 on the left hand side, that actually means that you need to multiply 4 on the right hand side as well. So if you think that okay, if I am multiplying 4 on one side, let me add 4 on the other side. So that will not work. So if you are multiplying 4 on one side, you need to ensure that you are multiplying 4 on the other side. Similarly, if you are dividing 4 on one side, you need to ensure that you are dividing 4 on the other side. Similarly, if you are adding 4 on one side, you have to add 4 on the other side as well. So if you do something like this, let's say that your equation was 3x plus 4 is equal to 9y minus 2. Now on one side you have multiplied 4 and on the other side you added 4. So this is incorrect. You can't do that. So if you are multiplying, you need to multiply both sides. If you are adding, you need to add both sides. Perfect. Now, the fourth point is, if you multiply an expression by a constant, be sure that you multiply each term of the expression by the constant. Let's say you have an expression 3x plus 4. Now, you want to multiply this expression by 4. So, when you multiply this expression by 4, that means 4 is actually getting multiplied to each term of the expression. That is, this is equal to 4 into 3x plus 4 into 4. So that is what multiplying this expression by 4 means. So now many a times children feel that 4 into 3x plus 4 means 4 into 3x plus 4. But this is incorrect. So if you are multiplying 4 to the expression, that means you have to multiply 4 to all the terms of that expression. In a similar way, if you are dividing an expression by a constant, you have to be sure that you are dividing each term of the expression by that constant. Like 3x plus 4 is an expression. Let's say you are dividing this expression by 4. That means that this equals to 3x by 4 plus 4 by 4. That is 3x by 4 plus 1. So this is the correct thing to do. Now many a times what children do, they say that 3x plus 4 divided by 4 is equal to 3x plus 1. But this is not correct because you have not divided the first term by 4. Similarly, if you write 3x plus 4 divided by 4 is equal to 3x by 4 plus 4. This is also not correct because in this case you have not divided the second term by 4. So, whenever you are dividing an expression by a constant, that means you have to divide each term of the expression by that constant. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.